Welcome back, guys, to the third episode of the EG project where we tackle the rear suspension setup. But first, let's take a look at an old hot version video for some inspiration. As you can see, the Spoon Civic has a bucket seat and a Momo Monte Carlo in the interior, and that's it. So without going completely over the top with spoon parts, I'm going to stick to the original top setup theme. Before we head back in the garage, let's do a quick unboxing. You might notice the eyebolt rear suspension. The EG6 actually has a rear mount similar to a Type R. So if you wanted this to work on your EG, you'd have to get a new rear lower control arm. I got mine from MPC. The race cables are from Hybrid Racing. I didn't really like the original mounts for it, so I went to Ktuned to get the billet ones. They look way better. Next, you might notice the modded throttle body. It's the original one from the RBC, so it bolts right up, but I've cut it and added a Van Gen style clamp from Plasma Man. If you're doing a K-swap, you'll have to install the temp sensor from the original motor. I wanted to add AN to the brake booster, so I cut up the original one to see what the bladder was like on the inside, and then I welded the ITR one without damaging it. So along with the ITR brake booster, I'm doing a 1-inch master cylinder from the ITR as well. I got these sweet custom aluminum parts from Tractuff to convert my cooling system to AN. I wanted a thicker rad, so I went with the X-line from Mishimoto. They didn't offer it in Dash 16, so I had to cut off the ports and weld on my own fittings. You don't want to impact on brand new hardware, so I'm just hand tightening it with a power tool. You don't want to handle yellow zinc coating with your hands. The yellow will actually come off very quickly. So keep touching to a minimum. I highly recommend buying ASR parts. It's some of the best Honda parts you can get. If you liked today's video, go ahead, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to visit my website, version38.com, and give me a follow on Instagram, Wooster with 3 O's. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.